ready with me? Let's talk about how you can get a license in the US as a teenager. I do want to preface that this is my own experience, and 100% there's a lot more different ways on how to get your license. Nag-start ako nung grade 10 so mga 15. Specifically, you're required to take a semester class of driving. First day, they'll give you a pamphlet tapos sasabihin nila sa'yo na kailangan mo yung aralin lahat. Kasi by the end of the year, meron kayong iti-take down test and that will determine if you can get your permit or not. So, ang permit, iba pa rin yan sa license. Ang permit, ito yung nag-a-allow sa'yo para mag-drive ka with like a parent or somebody that's 21 and older. Permit test, pag naka 8 or more na wrong ka na, bagsak ka na agad, like you can't get your permit. When I took mine, I think dalawa yata yung mali ko, pero hindi ko na matandaan talaga kung ano yun. I don't know for sure, pero 9 to 12 months yata bago ka makapag-apply for like a driver's test. Yung pupunta ka talaga sa DMV tapos magda-driver's test ka. And within those 9 months, required kayo na mag-drive ng 50 hours. Tapos, meron din kayong ibang klaseng like driver's thing, and you'd have to have like an instructor with you. Isang month yon, tapos every other day yung meeting namin. You can only be absent for 1 day, and if you did, you have to make up like one other like driving thing at the end of the month. So pretty much what I did was I went to the website for the DMV and I selected a date and time to when I will take the test. Sa test ko specifically, kailangan marunong ka mag-park uphill, downhill, tapos road-wise na din. Kailangan mo mag-stop sa stop signs, ganun. Pag naka-hit ka ng curb, automatic na. Hindi mo na makukuha permit mo. Sorry mga be, hindi mo pa rin makakasama yung mga kaibigan mo sa pagdadrive. Kasi mostly puro minor pa lang kayo. I think you would need 1 year of having your license before you can have more than one person that's a minor in your car. I'm not even gonna lie, walang sumusunod dyan. But yeah, I got mine when I was 16, tapos I'm probably missing some few. But yeah, I'm done.